This is why the Igbos don't kneel in prayer. I saw a video of a guy saying that prayer is basically casting a spell. Christians won't like that. From him, I learned that the major difference is that while some people are groveling and begging and telling themselves they are sheep and that the Lamb of God should come and shepherd them, I am praying from the standpoint that I am an Ikeng and that my Alusi is pleased and honored to have me represent him. I am praying from a position of authority. I sit down and we commune. This realization diluted my earlier stance that it isn't Ifemo but rather Egomu. Of course, I serve my spirits. I serve my Alusi, Pepoins, Olas, Amadio, Udo, as the case may be. Things that I know are good for him. The most important being myself and my backing. I, Alusi Pablo, am important to a potent spirit. Spirit when you consider my Ezumezu. In turn, he backs me and sells me things that are good for me long term. Good life, not good moods, like the title of my 2022 song. Our relationship is a mutually respectful trade agreement. Some SMO who are also serving spirits grovel like brainwashed hags in The Chosen. I'm not judging. Only the lizard will come out dry. But this realization is something new for me and I'm excited to embrace and explore the realms I can access with the freedom of these clear views. It's a service. Usually it's me as your ego for. It's a prayer.